Polishing a car might seem intimidating, but with the right tool and a bit of practice, you can achieve professional results right at home. Over time, your car's paint can become dull and scratched from sun exposure, road debris, and even harsh cleaning products. Polishing helps to remove these imperfections, restoring your car's shine and protecting the paint. Before you start, you'll need a few essential tools: a quality polisher, different grades of polish, including a cutting compound for heavy scratches and a finishing polish for light scratches, microfiber towels, and a selection of pads. Polishing pads come in various types, including cutting, polishing, and finishing pads. Microfiber and wool pads are great for tackling heavy imperfections, while foam pads, depending on their density and foam cell design, are used for more refined polishing and finishing to achieve a high gloss shine. The type of pad you choose depends on the condition of the clear coat and its hardness or softness. First and foremost, wash your car thoroughly to remove dirt and contaminants. If you polish over dirt, you could cause more scratches instead of removing them. After cleaning the car, inspect the paint for defects. Start with a test spot using a medium aggression pad and compound combination. While some may argue that priming isn't necessary, we firmly believe that it's crucial for achieving peak performance and excellent results on the surfaces you work on. Based on the results of your test spot, adjust your approach. Fine-tune your pad and compound combination. Reload the pad with a few dots of compound, then work in a small section using 50% overlapping passes. Apply light to moderate pressure, allowing the machine to do the work. After working the polish for 30 seconds to a minute, wipe off the residue with a clean microfiber towel. Inspect the results and move on to the next section. Regularly cleaning your pads during the polishing process is essential. Switch to a finishing polish for that final touch if needed. Finally, consider applying a wax or sealant to protect your newly restored shine. With the right tools, pads, and polishes, and a little patience, you can achieve a glossy, flawless finish that will make your car look brand new.